You have to come on.
Look, the shoe. Yeah, wardrobe malfunction.
Oh, there she goes. That's Journey. The blue dress is TJ. The green is Janaya. Ariana's the white shirt. Oh no, Janaya's over here.
Who are we yelling for? Imani Douglas. She is turning 12. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Jesus loves you. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Jesus loves you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Look at the birthday girl right there. Birthday girl. Woo! Oh my God, the whole neighborhood heard you. Oh my gosh.
I don't think she knew what she was saying.
And special performance.
Minnie Mouse, right? Minnie
They're
Mouse.
hilarious.
Luckily, she had a little Spanish in her, because that was Moss is more. So she did say it right by accident.
Ready? Grab a hand. Grab a hand.
Uh-oh.
Okay, 5,
Oh, more?
6, 7, 8.
It's a fun show. You see what happened when you have a house full of girls? This is entertainment.
This is what they practice for? How did they practice this? Right. How many times they had to retake that over, right?
Mommy, wave at the camera.
It's
Happy
like, what?
birthday.
Stop. You're having too much fun.
That's all your show?
All right.
That's it? It's over?
Everybody,
You're
yay!
supposed to bow. You're supposed to bow and say thank you for coming out.
Yeah, where's your bow? Where's your...